It's a new month, and VS Code has some new features for your Python development. We've added the configurable debugger options to the convenient Run button menu in the top right corner of your editor. We're moving all Python debugging functionality to the Python debugger extension. Without it, you'll see limited functionality, and with it, you'll be able to customize your Python debugger settings with more granularity. The default functionality for now does include running and debugging your Python file. But let's get the full Python debugger functionality, and where we'll see all future updates. You'll first need to enable the Python debugger extension pre-release. Then we'll go to our file and can see when I'm editing, all I need to do is go to the top right-hand corner to debug my file with Python debugger and create a launch.json. Now I'll be able to create my launch file, it will open the debugger panel, run and debug my file, and now I can set a breakpoint and run it again with a different debugger file if I'd like. You can see that it created a launch.json file and put it in my project directory next to my Python file and this VS Code profile I've saved here. Add configurations here or use the button in the bottom right to be guided to configuration settings. Now, more streamlined features to manage your environment in VS Code intuitively. Perhaps you're like me and you switch between what terminal you like best. In this project, I've created my virtual environment in Windows command prompt, which means to activate, I would access my scripts subdirectory. If I had created my virtual environment in WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, my activate script would be in my bin subdirectory. With this experiment, I will have my environment activated automatically no matter my terminal. I can check this by hovering my terminal on the right side to see what is contributing to my environment settings, or I can print the subsystem executable of Python in my terminal. The path will match my virtual environment directory if enabled. Depending on the terminal, there will be a visual indication that the virtual environment is activated on the far left of the line. The new feature this month is that you can now deactivate from the terminal by typing deactivate for Windows command prompt and PowerShell. You can have access to this feature by opting in your settings.json with Python terminal invar activation. I'm building a blog with some friends, and some of those friends may be new to Django. The new type hierarchy within Pylance's references will help me show some of the methods and classes in the models.py of my Django application. On my event model class, I have remove participant email verification method, in which I call remove the database altering method on query set related managers. Let's try the type hierarchy for instantiating models.model class. This shows me we're also using it for user profile, member list, session, and session membership. There's also find all references or show call hierarchy, which open in the same reference panel to the left. The menu is opened by right-clicking on the symbol I've highlighted. Happy coding!